Hey EV enthusiasts! Did you know that electric vehicle sales have skyrocketed by over 80% in the past year? That's right, the world is rapidly shifting towards a greener future, and electric vehicles are at the forefront of this revolution. And the competition is heating up, with more manufacturers entering the market. The race to produce the best electric vehicle is more intense than ever. Today I'm diving into a burning question. Can Ford's 4X4 beat Tesla's Cybertruck? It's a showdown that has everyone talking, from industry experts to everyday car enthusiasts. The Ford 4X4 is here, and it's making waves in the electric vehicle market. This isn't just another truck, it's a statement of intent from one of the most iconic automakers in the world. Ford's not just playing catch-up, they're coming for the crown. With a rich history in manufacturing reliable and powerful trucks, Ford is leveraging its expertise to create a formidable electric contender. The Cybertruck's reign might be in jeopardy. Tesla has been the undisputed leader in the electric truck segment, but the landscape is changing. But what makes Ford's new beast a formidable contender? Let's delve into the specifics. Tesla's dominated the electric truck scene since the Cybertruck's debut. Its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology have set a high bar. It's futuristic, it's bold, and it's powerful. The Cybertruck has captured the imagination of many with its unique aesthetics and impressive performance metrics. But Tesla's facing new challenges. As the market matures, consumers are becoming more discerning, and reliability issues have started to surface. Traditional automakers like Ford are stepping up their game, bringing decades of experience to their electric models. This experience translates into a deep understanding of what truck owners need and expect. Tesla's got the hype, but can they maintain it with giants like Ford catching up? The stakes have never been higher. Let's break it down. We'll compare these two titans across several key areas: performance, design, technology, and reliability. The Ford 4X4 boasts impressive range and power. It's designed to handle both the demands of daily driving and the rigors of off-road adventures. It comes with dual motors, offering a robust all-wheel drive. The towing capacity, a whopping 10,000 pounds, and the interior, it's a blend of luxury and functionality, ensuring comfort on every journey. Luxurious and tech-savvy, loaded with the latest infotainment system. Ford has ensured that the 4X4 is not just a workhorse, but also a tech haven. Now, the Cybertruck's no slouch either. Its performance specs are nothing short of impressive. Its unique design, bulletproof exoskeleton, and incredible acceleration are hard to beat. The Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks on the market. But Ford's playing a smart game here. They're focusing on versatility, ensuring the 4X4 can perform in a variety of conditions, from rugged terrains to urban environments. They're focusing on reliability and versatility, areas where Tesla has had some hiccups. Ford's extensive testing and quality control measures are designed to ensure that their trucks can withstand the test of time. But here's the kicker: Ford's standout feature, their battery tech. This is where Ford is looking to outshine Tesla. The new solid-state batteries promise faster charging, longer life, and better efficiency. This could be a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. Imagine recharging your truck in just minutes. That's a game-changer. This innovation could redefine the convenience and practicality of owning an electric truck. This innovation could potentially shift consumer interest away from the Cybertruck. As consumers become more aware of these advancements, their preferences might start to shift. So, to wrap it up, Ford's 4X4 is poised to give the Cybertruck a run for its money. The competition between these two giants is fierce, and it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric vehicle technology. The rivalry between Ford and Tesla is more than just a clash of titans. It's transforming the electric vehicle market. This competition is driving innovation and offering consumers more choices than ever before. Who comes out on top? It's a question that will be answered over time as both companies continue to innovate and improve their offerings. Only time will tell. The future of electric trucks is bright, and we're just at the beginning of this exciting journey. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this epic showdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights and opinions are what make this community great. And don't forget to check out my next video where I dive deeper into the future of electric trucks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content and updates on the latest in electric vehicle technology.